Big congratulations, 8 each. You were using other portals, you were telling me before you came to us, then something changed, especially with your speaking, writing. Tell your experience to our students.
So firstly, when I was doing like other portals, I was thinking I can do it myself because last time I did 7 each. So I was like, it's easy, I can do it. But whenever you want to score more, it's very hard because the things matter, like little things matter, like your friends, fluency, pronunciation and everything. So when I was doing speaking at home, it was getting very hard for me to get perfect like fluency and pronunciation at the same time.
Right.
When I came here, like teachers helped me a lot with speaking. Like they were listening to each and every audio that I was speaking, and then they were telling me what I was doing wrong. So I was doing better. It was really good. The teacher helped a lot with the speaking, and I think that's the best module of TK, and it boosts my scores.
Correct, because once you get good marks in speaking itself, it really helps you to get better marks in listening and reading. But see, I think you have a good communication. Now, guys, students who have good communication, they don't struggle too much with speaking until and unless they don't know how to fix it or someone to guide them. But Komal, I also want to highlight writing, because that was something which was really hard to get 8 because we missed by 2 marks, I think last 10 or 3 marks, isn't it? And we couldn't get. This time, we got our desired scores. What changed and how it changed, and especially for students who are struggling in writing, what should they do if they want to get 8 each in writing?
So especially firstly, when I did my PT for the first time, I just did it myself. The writing, I didn't use any template or something because I was thinking it's very hard to remember it. But when I came here, they gave me the template. Even in the first few days, I didn't remember the template. So they said, now you have to just write a template first, because template helps with the commas, with the dots, with the way you put inverted commas or everything, which makes our grammar and which makes our content better.
Correct.
So with the essay, it was okay because essay ideas was there. So everything was healthy. Even the essay ideas, like you have like 68 or something, but still it's correlated. If it's, you get something out of it, like out of the thing,
Yes.
still you can answer it. Because this time I really got the new topic that I never heard of.
Okay.
So I actually used the ideas that was there in the sort of.
And you got the score.
Yeah, I got the score with that one. And then they were focusing on my summarized spoken text because the task that boost my sport. Even when I was home, because the MCQs, I feel it easy. So I was just practicing those. The gap hope, you feel like whatever you know, just practice those because you feel confident that way. But here they focus more on the task that scores in listening, writing, like, you know, it's one task scoring in both sections. So like summarize spoken text, which is the hardest part for me, because you're listening to audio, writing it at the same time, and then you have to write it in a template in a right grammar, grammatical manner. So with summarize spoken text, Simran ma'am really helped, and Mehak ma'am told everyone that focus on her on writing because she's studying with it. So when I was doing in the class, she was like, okay, first you have to do it. Even if you are not doing it, you're going to sit here 4 hours, 5 hours, I don't care, and you have to sit here and complete your task and give me 10 out of 10. And until I did it, she was like, kept on saying, do it, I won't let you go. And then at the end I did it, and she was like really happy. Like with my work, it was very hard to manage to come to the class. And then I was like thinking that I wasted my money because I'm not going to the class, so it's very hard. But the thing is, I'm fully, Komal, are you coming? And that was motivating me. I have to eat it, so I have to go, I have to do some things. So I was at least taking 2 or 3 hours out of my schedule so that I could come here and practice, and which were helping. Like, the thing is, you said that do focus on these tasks because you checked my score and everything. You say focus on these stuff. That's why I was just continuously, whenever I was getting even 5 minutes, I was doing my summarized data text, or I was doing my summarized spoken text. And as you said, send me the pictures. I send you the pictures so that I know where I'm lacking.
I would say, guys, it is really important to balance your work and your study.
Yeah.
And I think that's what Komal did. As she said that even when she was getting 5 minutes, she was just focusing on what matters the most. So you need someone to guide you. What are the important things, where you are lacking, so that you can focus on those things, not wasting time on other things which are better for you, or which are even, I would say, strengths for you. So work on your weaknesses, understand your mistakes, and on top of that, have someone to tell you where exactly we're going wrong. Because I think if someone tells you where you're going wrong and you are able to fix it, you will get the scores, and that's what happened with Komal as well. Huge congratulations once again. Really happy for you. All the best for your NATI exam. Right?
Yeah, I'm doing it from here as well. Now I feel confident at least.
That you can do NATI as well.
Yeah.
All the best, Komal. Thank you so much for coming. And yes, kudos to you for managing your work and studies and getting 8 each. Really happy for you. All the best. Thank you, Komal.
Thank you so much.